guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this wavy text effect on CapCut PC. So get a text and I'm just going to type in ocean and I'm going to select a font for it, maybe this one, and I might just color it this kind of blue or this one, and I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to add this on top, eyes. And I'm going to place the ocean kind of to the left and this one to the right. Select the ocean, scroll down until you find the curve. Select it. And you can adjust the strength of the curve. I'm just going to leave it at maybe like 100-ish. You can also, where is it? Add in like space between the characters like this. I'm going to actually just use the 16:9, make it a little bit smaller. And also here I'm going to scroll down to curve and I'm going to do it the other way around. And I'm going to also do 100 but negative 100. Like that. And I'm also going to make it smaller. And I'm going to go back here and I'm going to add in space between the characters. So this is 39. Let me go actually to the scale here. 76, and this one needs to be the same scale. There we go. And that's how you can create a wavy text effect on CapCut PC. I'm just going to make them a little bit smaller because you can't really see that well. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!